Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I'm doing recreation of one look. It was look from Dilan Sabah. She is Dutch makeup artist, also here on YouTube, and she did some kind of yellowy and orange look. To me it was really great. It was so springy and I really liked it, so I wanted to do some recreation. And I did my face, but it's something like hers. She had that natural, but she explained that natural to her doesn't mean less product. It means just lighter colors and everything blended and soft. So I agree with her, and I did something soft on my face. And now I'll do my eyes and lips. She used a soft glam palette. I don't have that palette, so I'll try and mix some else palettes. And she actually started with the shade Burnt Orange. So I'll take this Huda Beauty palette and I'll use this shade Blazing. So I blended this blazing shade, and now I'll take this mustardy shade from Makeup Revolution Division palette just to blend all of that. And now I'll take this brown shade and I'll just put it a bit on my outer V. And with the same brush, I'll just smudge everything what's left on my lower lash line. Now I'll take this NYX Cosmic Metals palette and I'll use this gold shade on my lid and I'll tap it with my finger. Look at this. This is new. I mean it's not new on the market, but it's new for me. And I think I'll include it in some first impression or review video. But I'll just now use this shade. Reapply a bit of my mascara, and I'm using this Essence False Lashes mascara. So now I'm done with the eyes and I'll align my lips with this Belle Cosmetics lip liner. It's in the shade 04. It's some kind of brick orange shade. To go over it, I'll use this Maybelline Matte Ink Superstay Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade 25 Heroin. So in store this looked like a very pretty orange, like fiery orange red, but orange, and now it looks red. And I so hate that lights in the drugstore. It's a red with orange undertone, but it's not what I wanted. I mean, I have orange lipstick, but I don't know. It's actually even more red on the camera than it is in real life. But I have some beautiful gloss to go over it, and it's Essence Holo Wow Dual Lip Shine, and it's in the shade 02 Butterfly Flap. It looks like it's orange, but it has some holographic duochrome purpley reflect. So I will try this. This is very cool, but I can only see that purple reflect. So that's it. It's not what I expected and what I wanted to do, but I actually like this look, and this actually looks like more orange in real life. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you like it. I like it, but it's not what I wanted to recreate, but it's okay. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, comment something if you want, and all the products I used on my face and on my lips and eyes will be listed in the description and linked. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and of course subscribe to my channel. Bye!